data-data
Jika
makanan atau minuman yang ada di Kafe Puncak Taman Rama. Mau pesan apa sok?
terus misalnya.
Seterusnya juga terus.
Saya juga.
Di mana misalnya terus itu? X.
Apa kamu?
Saya kayaknya ekstra jus susah juga nih. Oh, saya nggak usah berusaha air aja. Dia sama
Pasta jus 2 di.
ada air mineral.
Berapa satunya?
Tadi berapa?
Kok pesan apa?
Saya pesan ini aja. Tadi saya sudah minum tadi jadi.
Begitu. Gitu.
Ini pesanannya.
Bayar kah? Saya pak bayar kah pak?
Yang kios
Itu.
Ya, inilah teman saya dari
Meninggal nih mau nyobain Mercedes.
dari Makassar yang traktir gue.
Woi keren sekali.
Yes. Mantap. Inilah dia Kafe Puncak Rambang yang
kita sekarang di apa? Kafe Puncak.
Ini bro, toh begini.
Terlalu dulu paham.
Ziggy X. They got one more problem with you, girl. Hey. Hey, baby, even though I hate you, I wanna love you. I want you. And even though I can't forget you, I really want to. I want you. Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me? 'Cause even though I shouldn't want it, I gotta have it. I want you. Head in the clouds, got no weight on my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that I've got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem. One less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem. I know you're never gonna wake up. I gotta give up, but it's you. I know I should never call back. I let you come back, but it's you. Every time you touch me and say you love me, I get a little bit breathless. I should've wanted, but it's you. Head in the clouds, got no weight on my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that.
Jadi kita sudah mau balik bro. Sudah sampai jam berapa? Malam 10. Jadi thanks for watching yang sudah nonton dan jangan lupa subscribe, like dan share. Oke, thank you.
Ziggy X. What you got? Smart money, betting I'll be better off without you. In no time I'll be forgetting all about you. You saying that you know, but I really, really doubt you. Understand my life is easy when I ain't around you. Iggy, Iggy, too biggie to be his present. I'm thinking I love the thought of you more than I love your presence.